How to split a cable across multiple components in a single line diagram. We haven't drawn any schematic components. We've been into the terminal editor and we've created a terminal strip called X2 and defined that it has 4 spare terminals. I'm going to draw a cable connecting between X2 and the first device. I can double click on the cable and we can add a cable into the connection detail. We can wire up just a couple of these connections and reserve a couple of the cores. So if I select cable reservation, I'm going to deselect cores 3 and 4. This basically means these won't be allocated. We can't assign anything to cores 3 and 4 because they've been reserved. We can now add another cable. Select cores reservation. Only cores 3 and 4 are available because we've already wired up cores 1 and 2. The cores that have previously been wired up are shown in red to avoid any confusion. The connections that have already been made into the terminal strip on terminals 1 and 2 are also shown in green. We can highlight these 2 connections, add them in. We've now got a cable splitting across 2 devices. If you wish not to repeat the cable information, you can right click, select show hide cable text and the information will disappear. You can also drag this up so it appears as if it's one line splitting.